Bagi sebahagian besar masyarakat Indo, perayaan cahaya atau Deepavali dihabiskan bersama keluarga dan orang yang tersayang. Namun bagi pemimpin Hindraf P. Uttayakumar yang menghabiskan sebahagian besar usianya memperjuangkan nasib orang India, perayaan cahaya kali ini cukup malap. Peguam itu yang pernah ditahan di bawah Akta Keselamatan Dalam Negeri atau ISA kini terpaksa merengkuk di penjara kerana didapati bersalah atas tuduhan hasutan. Orang yang paling sedih adalah isterinya, S. Indra Dewi. Katanya, Deepavali kali ini begitu suram tanpa Uttaya yang melamarnya 11 tahun lalu ketika beliau bergelar janda.
I'm a single parent, and I met Kumar, and he got to know my children. And though he's not a father, but he's a, how would I say, he's a wonderful person. Learned to be a father, and I would say my children are closer to him than me. They're comfortable with him, and they can communicate. There's no word to describe about him. For me, he's my God. As all of you know, it's a festive season where the whole family is going together. Well, for us, Kumar is he's going to be in a prison, and he have lost so much of weight, yes, and he's not going to be with us to pray, the Deepavali Eve, and on Deepavali Day. We're going to miss him a lot. We will be waiting for 3rd and 4th so that we can visit him, and I'm very eager to see him. We are eager to hold him, but we are not given a chance.
Bagi Indra Dewi, harapannya bagi Deepavali ini bukan untuk mendapatkan makanan, pakaian baru mahupun barang kemas, tetapi cukup sekadar menatap wajah suami tercintanya itu.
It's not a new thing for us because even during ISA time, he was in the prison. He was in Pusak, he was in Kamunteng in Taiping. We didn't feel it much because on Deepavali Day it was like open day where we can be with him, cook for him, his favorite food by me, mom, and everybody was there feeding each other. Everybody were there, like Ganga's family, Mano's family, Ganapati Rao's family. We all were there, and it's just this time. It's too bad that Kumar is going to be that side, the family is going to be this side. We can't even touch him, so it's not going to be a pleasant Deepavali, definitely. Not like, I would say ISA was a little bit, humanity were there, a bit concerned that the families given a chance to see him in person, but in prison life, no. Though you're asking to your lawyers, like, can we see him and all that, giving food, definitely they're going to say he's not a special prisoner. It's all the same punishment, the same way of us treating the prisoner. So your husband is one of them. That's the way it's going to be. But you're taking it very calmly because you're used to it, and it's all for struggle. If this is how it's going to be, let it be that way.
Begitu juga dua anak perempuannya yang dahagakan kasih sayang seorang bapa.
They are grown-up girls. They are big girls. Every time when we are visiting, as previously you all know that they denied their entry too because they said that this is not their own children. Well, I rebutted what they say, that people, when they remarry, they marry them in package. It's not like only the wife and the children is abandoned, you see. So I said, until today, I didn't get the answer from the Home Minister or the Deputy Home Minister or the Prime Minister. They didn't tell me. But we take it as it comes. I just left it because I was thinking what their statement was really utter rubbish, I would say. But the next day, Kumar was very upset. Of course, he was very upset. Couldn't see the children because after 1 month, a month once, we can only see him once a month. So that they gave us problem. But too bad. And even now, my elder girl, my second girl was asking, Ma, we can see Appa 3rd and 4th, right? I said, yeah, definitely. Can we cook over me, there? Because Kumar loves spaghetti, and he loves my daughter's cooking. And he said, no, baby, food are not allowed. Again, just on the glass door, mommy? I said, yeah. So, you see, though they are the stepchildren, but the love is more than the own father, I would say. Because they are excited, even on the day they say the children cannot go in, They were excited to see him and tell about the college life, the university life, how are they coping up with their studies, that, this. And when they stopped, they really burst, like they couldn't take it. But they're together with us, definitely. And they know the father is doing all this for Hindra's struggle. And it's not easy for someone to do this. But I would say we are lucky to be with him for this struggle, together with him.
Walau Perit terpaksa berjauhan, Indra Dewi berkata beliau memahami prinsip dan perjuangan suaminya itu ketika mereka berkahwin setelah bercinta 5 tahun.
At one point, Kumar did tell me, Indra, that was ISA time. He did tell me, you know what I'm getting into and you know what's going to happen to me. They may come anytime to put me in ISA. I said, first I was like, because it's totally new to me, what is ISA and all this. Then he told me, he explained to me, this is how it's going to be. Are you willing to take it? I say, you light up my life. I'll be with you the rest of my life. I told him that. And I will. For me, he's the hero, not only for the people, for us, for me and my daughters.
Katanya, di sebalik penderitaan di penjara, Utaya berkeras enggan melupakan perjuangannya walaupun dipujuk pelbagai pihak.
He's a man of struggle. He fight for Indians. And he fight for people who needs his help. And I think that is the correct way, that's the right way of him doing it. And all the while he's doing it, so there's no wrong. By people like the government are trying to shut his mouth by putting him in the prison, but he cannot be brave. They put him in a place where all the people waiting to be hanged and all that in one room. It's like a sardine. It's packed with people. They even sleep three and then together. And then the washroom is there, the toilet, literally they have to be naked. They see each other. And the smell, so many things. And he went through. And then what he's asking is, okay, it's fine with the 2.5, but don't ill-treat him treat him like a human. He deserves, he's a lawyer, he's an activist. He didn't use any weapon. He just used his words, his mouth as the weapon to fight for the people. Literally writing. He used his hand to write and he put him for 2.5. Doesn't make sense. It's very hard. Trust me, Prasad, it's very hard. There's no man in the house. It's just the 4 girls, me, my mom, and my 2 girls. It's so quiet without Kumar because Kumar is a jovial person, jokes a lot, and our dinner together, it's all no more there. It's almost like 6 months.
Di sebalik semua ini, Indra Dewi tetap menaruh harapan. Kesetaraan keluarganya akan berakhir tidak lama lagi.
Something tells me he won't be there for 2.5 years. He'll come out earlier. Because deep in the heart of people who have arrested him, they will feel the guiltiness. This man didn't do anything wrong. He didn't harm any people. Kumar is the last person to harm people anyway. He's he's a person who feels very pity for people very fast. And well, if he's willing to marry a single parent, you know how good guy he can be. Not all men can accept that, but Kumar did. And hopefully he will come out as soon as possible to be with us again. Again, my house will be lighted up. Deepavali will be on the day Kumar comes out. And he will be lighting up our house together with my family. So I hope the day will come soon.